Welcome today in front of me Oppo Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the silent mode on this device. So first you should go to the setting app and here go to the sounds and vibration section. Right now you will see the silent mode section, and here just to activate the silent mode, tap once on the switcher, and as can you see our switcher is green, so that means that you enable your silent mode. Just to turn it off, tap again on the switcher, and as can you see you got here you activated your ringtone and notification volumes. Also you get the second way, for example, to turn on the silent mode, just swipe here with your finger to the left near the ringtone and notification section, and you'll see that the silent mode is activated. And just to turn it off, again swipe with your finger to the left near the ringtone and notification volumes, and as can you see you just disabled your silent mode. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.